Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will walk you through some important questions that can come up in your interview, and we are going to take a look at the topic of RBAC, Azure RBAC, role-based access control. Okay, alright, so without delay, come let's get started. It'll be interesting and short and crispy with the answers. Alright, the very first question they will always ask is what is RBAC in Azure? We know RBAC stands for Role-Based Access Control, and it is an authorization system that defines granular access permission for the users, group, applications at a different scope within the Azure resource. Basically, we are talking about three things. You should always remember who, what, where. Okay, that's how you should remember. Who means it's whether user groups or managed identity, and then where means at what level you're defining. It's a resource level or resource group or subscription level or at the management group level. Okay, that's what called where. And what is nothing but the permission. And then the last one is the what is nothing but the permissions, right? To what permission you're defining in the role. Okay, or you're choosing custom role or inbuilt role, what is that permission? That is what RBAC is all about. Okay, now the next one is what are the three main components of RBAC in Azure? I just explained you the three important things. So the three main components of this RBACs are role assignment, and role definitions, right? Role defines a set of permission. Let's say you wanted to define the permission defines only that the user or anybody who has been assigned with this role will have only access to the storage account, right? That's what the role definition. Role assignment is to whom you're assigning, to users or the groups or where. What is that, right? And then the last one is the permission. Okay, and the role definition defines the permission. So you should always remember who, what, where. Alright, the next one is how do you assign a role to a user or a group in Azure? We saw in the video how we did that. So you can assign a role to a user or a group in Azure by creating a role assignment and specifying the user or a group, the role and the scope. Okay, so if you remember in the video I showed you, we will be going inside the access control, which is the IAM, right? And then you will define a role, or you pick up the role and then you start selecting whether it's a user or a group or a managed identity, and then you assign it, right? That's how it has been done. All right, the next one is what are the inbuilt roles in Azure RBAC? See, Azure RBAC has more than 525, I think 526 inbuilt roles are available. Okay, everything is like much granular level, and most likely you'll end up choosing the existing one itself unless it is really required for a custom role to be created. But anyway, so basically there are several inbuilt roles. That's what it says. Azure RBAC provides several built-in roles with predefined set of permissions such as owner, contributor, reader, etc, etc. So you can either choose that, and that's how you use the inbuilt roles. So how do you create custom roles in Azure RBAC? You remember in the video like how I'm showing here, I showed you can go and select add custom role or create custom role, and then that's where you start with. You either start with picking up the existing JSON or clone an existing role, or start from scratch. You give the name, description, and then you assign the action, not action, data action, not data action, and then you assign to the assignable scope, and that's it, right? You'll be able to do that. And not only that, you'll be able to assign it using the CLI and PowerShell as well. All right, so I think most of the important things has been covered, and if you have anything come across with RBAC, do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to put you more questions for the RBAC. But so I suggest you to go through the video that has been given in the description that will tell you the complete concept of RBAC and the live demo of complete RBAC system. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far, and share this with your friends. If you have any questions, to write me in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you. I'll see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!